Please give the warmest of welcomes to Philippe Marguerite, the new TFWA president.
I'm representing Istanbul Airport. The ideas that were discussed at the conference this year, especially now by Bobby Jones, is definitely very important for us as we are thinking about getting attention of the new generation customers.
The ideas discussed at the conference will impact our coming year by changing maybe our thought process when we're strategizing, particularly when we're budgeting and focusing, and that's very important. We're doing that right now.
The workshop this morning, World in Flux, I think it really added value to me. I work for Volta in North America, and a lot of the topics really hit the hot buttons.
How a workshop like this one is adding value to our business is basically to helping us understand what's lying ahead, what's coming at us, and adapt our offer towards airport, brands and operator as we move forward.